Slider Windows Manassas VA is a popular choice for homeowners seeking to enhance their property's aesthetic and functionality. Our professional window installers in Manassas ensure a seamless installation process, providing custom window solutions tailored to your specific needs. With a focus on energy-efficient windows, we offer a range of vinyl slider windows and double-pane windows to improve your home's insulation and reduce energy costs. Energy-efficient windows in Manassas are essential for maintaining a comfortable home environment while minimizing energy consumption. Our window replacement services in Manassas include a variety of insulated windows designed to keep your home warm in the winter and cool in the summer. By choosing our residential window services, you can enjoy the benefits of reduced energy bills and a smaller carbon footprint. Custom window solutions in Manassas are available to meet the unique needs of each homeowner. Whether you're looking for window frame installation or sliding glass windows, our team provides comprehensive window design consultation services. We work closely with you to select the perfect window style options that complement your home's architecture and personal taste. Window repair services in Manassas are crucial for maintaining the longevity and performance of your windows. Our window maintenance services in Manassas include window sealing services and window hardware installation to ensure your windows remain in top condition. Regular maintenance can prevent costly repairs and extend the life of your windows. Affordable window options in Manassas are available for homeowners seeking cost-effective solutions without compromising on quality. Our window fitting experts in Manassas offer a range of budget-friendly options, including vinyl slider windows and double-pane windows Manassas VA. We strive to provide high-quality products that fit within your budget. Window frame installation Manassas is a critical component of any window upgrade project. Our professional window installers in Manassas are skilled in installing a variety of window frames, ensuring a perfect fit and optimal performance. With our expertise, you can trust that your new windows will be securely and properly installed. Slider Windows Manassas VA offer a sleek and modern look for any home. These windows provide easy operation and excellent ventilation, making them a popular choice for homeowners in Manassas. Our window design consultation Manassas services can help you select the ideal sliding glass windows for your home. Window maintenance services Manassas are essential for keeping your windows in excellent condition. Our team offers comprehensive services including window sealing services, Manassas VA, and window hardware installation Manassas to ensure your windows remain functional and efficient. Regular maintenance can help prevent issues such as drafts and leaks. Slider Windows Manassas are designed to provide superior energy efficiency and noise reduction. Our window durability solutions Manassas ensure that your windows withstand the test of time and harsh weather conditions. By choosing our insulated windows, you can enjoy a quieter and more comfortable home environment. Window design consultation. Manassas is a valuable service for homeowners looking to upgrade their windows. Our experts provide personalized recommendations based on your home's style and your preferences.